India is closely watching the situation there. Times Now gets you a report that analyzes the implications of the ongoing crisis in Pakistan on India.
As Pakistan stares at a possible coup, there could be several ramifications of the current crisis in Pakistan for its closest neighbor, India.
There could be a certain amount of nuclear saber rattling from Pakistan to show that Pakistan, despite the political turmoil within, is still a major power to contend with.
The army has been trying to impress upon Nawaz Sharif that don't interfere in foreign policy of Pakistan as far as India and Afghanistan is concerned. In both these matters, while Nawaz Sharif wanted to follow the policy of negotiation with the Taliban, the army decided to do an operation and went ahead with the operation. They're currently launching that operation.
Home Minister issuing a stern warning, making it clear that ceasefire violations will not be tolerated. And the warning coming just days ahead of Rajnath Singh's meeting with the Pak Interior Minister in Nepal.
यदि पाकिस्तान अपनी हरकतों से बाज नहीं आ रहा है तो ऐ डीजीपी सीधे आदेश दे दो बॉर्डर के ऊपर। यदि पाकिस्तान बातचीत नहीं करना चाहता तो अब 17वीं बार सफेद झंडा भारत की ओर से नहीं दिखाया जाएगा।
But despite the bilateral talks between the two countries temporarily halted, the instability in Pakistan could prove to be beneficial for India.
As long as Pakistan remains unsettled, the chances for India to continue to increase its own strategic clout are greater than when Pakistan has stability with the military most likely in control.
With Nawaz Sharif's friendly relations towards India further pushing the Pakistan Prime Minister into a corner.
Nawaz Sharif must bear a large portion of his blame because he has been taking on army for the last 4-5 months quite out of the way, quite unnecessarily and quite unreasonably, I must also say, because army had not been interfering in his governance.
Pakistan is facing one of its worst crises against the government, and surely it will bear an impact on the socio-political situation in India. Bureau Report, Times Now.